Fishing with Dad by BobbiCat, a beautifully illustrated children's book. Fishing with Dad. Dad took me fishing Saturday with bobbers, bait, and pole. He knew a very special place, his childhood fishing hole. I got up early Saturday and went to fish with Dad. I took my brand new fishing pole, just like the one he had. We parked not far from water's edge, took our poles to the pier. Dad showed me how to bait my hook and how to use my gear. Helped me throw my line out. He said the fish were there, to watch out for my bobber. It'd tell me when they're near. We munched on cheese and crackers and opened a can of Coke. He said if fish weren't at the pier, we'd head out in the boat. We didn't catch a nibble, just watched the bobber float and float. So Dad and I packed up our gear and set out in the boat. My bobbers started dancing and moving left and right. Dad said a fish was nibbling. "Don't let it get out of sight." My bobber went under the water. "Jerk hard," I heard Dad yell. I jumped up and yanked the rod, so hard I almost fell. "Turn the reel," Dad told me. I did just what he taught, and soon I got it in the boat. First fish I'd ever caught. Before the fish was off the hook, Dad took the camera out. I held the fish way up so high, I was real proud, no doubt. He took a bunch of pictures and reached for some more bait. "We'd better catch some more," he said. "The fish don't like to wait." We caught 5 more. It was such fun to bait and cast away. My dad told jokes. I laughed and laughed. It was a perfect day. When the day was done, we were in the car. My dad leaned over and asked, "Have you had fun so far?" I've had the very best day that I have ever had. But the very best part, I have to say, was being with you, Dad. The end. Check out more BobbiCat books. Thank you for watching. And check out more of my BobbiCat books.